So our next problem is cot square 15 degrees minus 1 by cot square 15 degrees plus 1 is equal to what? So we have a formula here, that is cot square theta minus 1 by cot square theta plus 1 is equal to cos 2 theta. Okay, this is the formula. So here in place of theta we have 15 degrees, so substitute. So it will be cot square 15 minus 1 by cot square 15 plus 1 is equal to cos of 2 into 15 degrees, that is cos 30 degrees. Cos 30 degrees is equal to root 3 by 2. The next problem is, if cos theta is equal to 3 by 5 and cos phi is equal to 4 by 5 and theta comma phi are acute angles, then find cos of theta minus phi by 2. So here given cos theta is equal to 3 by 5, so sin theta will be what? That is equal to 4 by 5. Sin theta is equal to under root of 1 minus cos square theta, you will get 4 by 5, and cos phi is given as 4 by 5, implies sin phi is equal to 3 by 5. Same formula, sin phi is equal to under root of 1 minus cos square phi, that is equal to 3 by 5. Now cos of a plus b, cos of a plus b formula is cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Similarly, cos of a minus b is equal to cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. So here we will be using the second formula because we need to find the cos of theta minus phi by 2. So first let us find cos of theta minus phi, that will be is equal to cos theta cos phi plus sin theta sin phi. So that is 3 4s are 12, 12 by 25 plus 12 by 25, that is equal to 24 by 25. Now we have a submultiple angles formula, that is cos theta is equal to 2 cos square theta by 2 minus 1. This is submultiple angles formula. So here this is cos of theta minus phi. I can write this as 2 cos square theta minus phi by 2, that is equal to 24 by 25, implies 2 cos square theta minus phi by 2 is equal to 1 plus 24 by 25, that is equal to 49 by 25, implies cos square theta minus phi by 2 is equal to 49 by 50. Now apply square root on both sides, so we will get cos of theta minus phi by 2 is equal to square root of 49 is 7, square root of 50 is, that is 25 into 2, so you will get 5 root 2. So that is the required value. Our next problem is, if sec theta is equal to, so here mixed fraction is given, then tan theta by 2 is equal to, sec theta is given as, so here 4 1s are 4, 4 plus 1, 5 by 4 is sec theta, implies cos theta is equal to 4 by 5. Now so here we can directly here sec theta can be written as 1 by cos theta, that is equal to 5 by 4. Now apply componendo dividendo rule. Componendo dividendo rule. So that is, if a by b is equal to c by d, then a minus b by a plus b is equal to c minus d by c plus d. So this is componendo dividendo rule. Apply the rule here. 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta is equal to 5 minus 4 by 5 plus 4. Okay, this is submultiple angles. 1 minus cos theta is equal to 2 sin square theta by 2. 1 plus cos theta is equal to 2 cos square theta by 2. 5 minus 4 is 1, 5 plus 4 is 9. 2 gets cancelled. Sin square by cos square is equal to tan square theta by 2, that is equal to 1 by 9. Apply square root on both sides, implies tan theta by 2 is equal to 1 by root 9, that is equal to 1 by 3. Our next problem is, if tan a by 2 is equal to 3 by 2, then find 1 plus cos a by 1 minus cos a. So here given tan a is equal to 3 by 2. We need to find the value of 1 plus cos a by 1 minus cos a. So here submultiple angles formula, 1 plus cos a is equal to 2 cos square a by 2. 1 minus cos a is equal to 2 sin square a by 2. Here 2 gets cancelled. This is cos square by sin square is cot square a by 2. So cot square a by 2 can also be written as 1 by tan square a by 2. Now tan a by 2 is given as 3 by 2. So 1 by tan square a by 2 means 1 by 3 by 2 whole square, that is 1 by 9 by 4. Here 4 goes to the top, that is equal to 4 by 9, that is the required value. So our next problem is, if cos a is equal to root 3 by 2, then tan 3a is equal to. So here you can tell directly, cos a 3 by 2 implies a is equal to 30 degrees. Okay, now tan 3a means tan of 3 into 30 degrees, that is tan 90 degrees. Tan 90 degrees is equal to infinity. Our next problem is, if cos 2b is equal to cos of a plus c by cos of a minus c, then tan a comma tan b comma tan c are in. Given cos 2b is equal to cos of a plus c by cos of a minus c. So this is cos 2b is equal to cos of a plus c. So let me write like this. So first reciprocal it. So that is 1 by cos 2b is equal to cos of a minus c by cos of a plus c. So now apply componendo dividendo rule. Apply componendo dividendo rule. Dividendo rule. That is 1 minus cos 2b by 1 plus cos 2b is equal to cos of a minus c minus cos of a plus c divided by cos of a minus c plus cos of a plus c. So this is 2 sin square b by 2 cos square b is equal to, so here transformation formulas cos of a minus c minus cos of a plus c, that is 2 cos a, sorry, here minus is there, so you will get sines 2 sin a sin c by, here plus is there, so you will get 2 cos a cos c. Here 2 gets cancelled, that is tan square b is equal to sin b cos is equal to tan a into tan c. So this is in the form of b square is equal to ac, implies a comma b comma c are in ap, implies tan a comma tan b comma tan c are in geometric progression, that is gp. So earlier I said ap, mistake, so that is actually gp, geometric progression. Our next problem is, if a tan theta is equal to b, then find the value of a cos 2 theta plus b sin 2 theta. So here given a tan theta is equal to b, implies tan theta is equal to b by a. We need to find a cos 2 theta plus b sin 2 theta. So cos 2 theta value in terms of tan theta is 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta, plus b into sin 2 theta value is 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Now substitute, tan square means b square by a square, this is b square by a square plus b into 2b by a by 1 plus b square by a square. So here take LCM, this is a into a square minus b square by a square plus b square. Here also you will get 2b square by a. Here another a is there, you will get a cancel. This is a square plus b square. Now this is a into a square a cube minus ab square plus 2ab square by LCM is a square plus b square. This is a cube plus ab square, one ab square gets cancelled by a square plus b square. Here you can take a common, a into a square plus b square by a square plus b square. Here this term gets cancelled, so the final value is equal to a. Next, find the value of 1 by tan 3a minus tan a minus 1 by cot 3a minus cot a. So that is 1 by tan 3a minus tan a minus 1 by cot 3a minus cot a. This is 1 by tan 3a minus tan a minus 1 by, here cot 3a can be written as 1 by tan 3a. Here cot a can be written as 1 by tan a. This is tan 3a minus tan a. Here take LCM, you will get 1 into tan a minus 1 into tan 3a, that is tan 3a divided by tan 3a into tan a. So this is 1 by tan 3a minus tan a minus this goes to the top, tan 3a tan a divided by tan a minus tan 3a. Okay, here, so this minus, if you multiply here, you will get to tan 3a minus tan a, tan 3a minus tan a, minus into minus plus tan 3a tan a. So here the signs will change, that is tan 3a minus tan a. Here if you take LCM, that is tan 3a minus tan a. In the numerator you will get 1 plus tan 3a into tan a. So this is in the form of tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a tan b. So that is equal to 1 by tan of a minus b. So apply the formula here. This is 1 by tan of 3a minus a. Okay, that is equal to 1 by tan 2a. 1 by tan 2a means cot 2a. Our next problem is, if tan a is equal to 2 tan b plus cot b, then find the value of 2 into tan of a minus b. So here given tan a is equal to 2 tan b plus cot b. Okay, we need to find the value of 2 into tan of a minus b. So apply the formula here. 2 into tan a minus tan b divided by 1 plus tan a tan b. Here tan a value is given, no substitute. 2 tan b plus cot b minus tan b by 1 plus tan a tan b. This is 2 into here tan b plus cot b 1 plus tan a tan b. So here tan, in place of tan a, again you can substitute this. So what you will get, 2 tan b plus cot b into tan b. So this is 2 into tan b plus cot b divided by, this is 1 plus 2 tan square b. This is cot b into tan b is 1. This is 2 into, here cot b can be written as 1 by tan b. So that is tan b plus 1 by tan b. This is 2 plus 2 tan square b. So here if you take LCM, this is tan square b plus 1 by tan b is there. So here if you take 2 common, 1 plus tan square b, the one more tan b is there. Here this term gets cancelled, this term gets cancelled. That is equal to 1 by tan b. 1 by tan b is equal to, that is equal to cot b. That is the final answer. Our next problem is, if sin a plus sin b is equal to p, cos a plus cos b is equal to q, then find sin of a plus b. Here given sin a plus sin b is equal to p. So apply the transformation, sin c plus sin d formula. 2 sin of a plus b by 2 cos of a minus b by 2 is equal to p. Cos a plus cos b is given as q. Apply the transformation cos c plus cos d formula. 2 cos of a plus b by 2 cos of a minus b by 2 is equal to q. Take this as 1 and this as 2. Now 1 by 2 implies 2 sin of a plus b by 2 cos of a minus b by 2 divided by 2 cos of a plus b by 2 cos of a minus b by 2 is equal to p by q. Here 2 gets cancelled, here cos gets cancelled. Sin by cos is equal to tan of a plus b by 2, that is equal to p by q. Now we need to find the value of sin of a plus b. So sin of a plus b in terms of tan is what? 2 tan square of a plus b by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square of a plus b by 2. Okay, this is tan actually. 2 tan of a plus b by 2 by 1 plus tan square of a plus b by 2. Now substitute the value of tan of a plus b by 2, that is p by q. 2 into p by q by 1 plus p square by q square. So if you take LCM here, that is equal to 2p cube by p square plus q square. Okay, that is the value of sin of a plus b. Our next problem is find the value of sin 50 minus sin 70 plus sin 10. Here we have a formula for sin c minus sin d, that is equal to 2 cos of c plus d by 2 sin of c minus d by 2. Okay, this is the formula. Here substitute the values. So apply the formula for the first two terms. You will get 2 cos of 50 plus 70 by 2 sin of 50 minus 70 by 2 plus sin 10. So 70 plus 50 is 120, 120 by 2 is 60, 2 cos 60 into sin of 50 minus 70 is minus 20, this is minus 10 plus sin 10. So here 2 into cos 60 is 1 by 2, sin of minus theta is minus sin theta, that is sin 10 degrees plus sin 10 degrees. Here 2 gets cancelled, this is minus sin 10 plus sin 10 degrees, that is equal to 0 you will get. Our next problem is cos square 48 degrees minus sin square 12 degrees. So here we have a formula cos square b minus sin square a is equal to, so what is the formula? Cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b. So that is cos of a is 12 degrees, b is 48, that is a plus b is 60 degrees. Cos of a minus b means 48 minus 12 or 12 minus 48. Cos is even function, so it doesn't matter. So that is 36 degrees. Cos 60 is 1 by 2, cos 36 is root 5 plus 1 by 4. So that is equal to root 5 plus 1 by 8. Our next problem is find the value of sin 75 degrees. So here sin 75 degrees can be written as sin of 45 plus 30 degrees. Now apply the sine of a plus b formula. Sine 45 cos 30 plus cos 45 sin 30. Sin 45 is 1 by root 2, cos 30 is root 3 by 2, cos 45 is 1 by root 2, sin 30 is 1 by 2. So 2 root 2 is LCM, that is root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. That is the value of sin 75 degrees.